After your account has accumulated commission revenues, you will probably want to withdraw the money. In Account Center, there are two kinds of balance. One is the available balance, and the other is the estimated balance. Why two balances? The reason is that DHgate.com offers a 45 days refund and return period. So every order has a 45 days review gap before we consider them successful. Once the order is locked, the commission will go to your available balance. To withdraw the money, you need to fill out your PayPal or bank information and fill the invoice info too. Then, wait between 1 to 2 days for DHgate affiliate team to review your withdrawal request. If you encounter a problem, the withdrawal failure is usually because you might have filled wrong informations or the invoice name is different from the beneficiary name. To protect your financial safety, we are extra careful with your withdrawals, so make sure you pay attention to your email box and the payment status. After we approve the payment request, there will be 7 to 14 working days to process it. We thank you in advance for your patience. Once it's done, we will include the payment transaction ID in the system. If you have any question on the subject of payments, just contact our team. We care about your financial safety as much as you do.